Frankly, when it comes to the safety, I don't think there was a very serious threat, but a few of the powerful people from the crowd, they were good enough to throw the bottles inside the rope. So the umpires thought, it's better off if the players go off for a while. And the reaction of the crowd, we didn't play well. And, so at times you get reactions like these. It's only the first bottle. After that, they start throwing it for fun. So, we shouldn't take too much into it. I still remember we played in Vizag once and, we won the game very easily. And that time also a lot of bottles were thrown. So, it starts with the first bottle, and after that, it's more fun for the spectators to they start doing it and they start following it. In the last game we batted really well. There were two areas that we wanted to address. One was the run out, and the second was not losing wicket in quick succession, wicket in pairs. And unfortunately in this game, if you see, these were the two things that really pushed us on the back foot. There were twice instances where we lost 3 wickets almost in the same run, almost in a gap of 2 to 5 runs. And the wicket was slightly difficult to start off, and if you lose wickets like this, it just puts too much pressure. So I felt at the end of it, we didn't have enough runs on the board. It was not a very high scoring game. If you ask me, maybe 140 or anything close to 140 plus minus 5 to 10 runs would have been a very good score. But also it's slightly difficult to just say it. The reason being, if you would have scored those runs, the approach of the opposition batsman would have been slightly different. So it's something, that I think would have been a good score. Yeah, it's slightly different in the T20 format. The reason being, it's a very short format. I feel personally, at times I use too much of brain in this format also. It's very important that I keep myself a bit free and, go and play my strokes. That time I still, a lot of time when I go into bat, usually it's the 17th over or the 16th over, or, it's the 4th over, 5th over, 6th when I go into bat with 4 or 5 wickets down. So, I have that tendency of using my brain. So I'm like, okay, let's go to 130. That will be a good score. Depending on that, I play a bit slow initially and then look for the big throw. So that has happened quite a few times. But in this format, I believe, what I should do is go in and play the big shots, irrespective of whatever the scenario may be, because that's what this format is all about. Maybe in the longer format, the 50 over format, I still need to do what I am doing. And one of the reasons why I want to bat slightly up the order is so that, somebody else takes that responsibility of batting at 5 or maybe 6. 6 I feel is a very crucial position. And, till they are not exposed, you won't really get to know who is good at it, because we have played, a lot of our good batsmen, they have played at that number, and most of them, they have not been successful. That's one of the main reasons we have been pushing them up the order, and we have seen, they have been doing really well and really consistent batting top of the order. So somebody has to take that responsibility of batting down. Maybe if I start batting at 4 or 5, somebody else will have to do that position, because in the coming years, you at least want somebody else to be ready to do that job, because, it's something that you need to have in your backup plan.